Okay. All right.
சார்
சொல்ல பண்ணா.
சார் எனக்கு இன்னொன்னு ஒரு டவுட் இருந்துச்சு. இப்ப நம்ம ஸ்கிரிப்ட் மாரி இப்ப பண்றோம்ல கிராஸ் ஹாப்பர்ல.
ஆமா.
இப்ப ரைனோல நீங்க போன வாட்டி சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தீங்களே சார் டெசலேஷனுக்கு லைக் சர்ஃபேஸ் போட்டுட்டு கீழ பேட்டர்ன் மாரி போட்டு ப்ரொஜெக்ட் கர்வ் கொடுத்து அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை எக்ஸ்ட்ரூட் பண்ணாலே ஈஸியா வந்துரும்ல. ஏன் சார் இவ்ளோ பெரிய ஸ்கிரிப்ட் போடணும்?
ஓகே. ஸோ அப்படி பார்த்தா என்ன நடக்கும் அப்படின்னா வந்து லைக் சே தெர் இஸ் அ வேரியேஷன். அங்க சே இப்போ நம்ம அந்த ஸ்ட்ரிப் ப்ராசஸ் வச்சே பேசுவோம். சே இமேஜின் இஃப் வி ஹாவ் திஸ் ப்ராசஸ். ஓகே. இப்போ I'm just gonna take this here. இப்போ I imagine I have this surface. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the top view. So imagine I have this pattern. இப்போ நான் see your question is ஏன் ப்ரொஜெக்ட் பண்ணி வேலையை முடிச்சுட்டு போயிடலாமே, ஏன் இவ்வளோ ப்ராசஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா, see this is the pattern. Now what I'm going to do is I'll select the surface, project. I mean first to project பண்ணிட்டு select curves to project இது. இப்போ enter கொடுத்துட்டு if I go to perspective and if I kind of like select the surface, we get the pattern. So இத வந்து say we can extrude curve and give it a thickness and get it done. True. First. Second thing is true. But இப்போ ரெண்டு ப்ராப்ளம் என்ன அப்படின்னா, the first விஷயம் வந்து this is not going to be accurate. This is not going to be working from corner to corner. Say over here everything starts from that particular corner and it works with respect to the corners. First விஷயம், which is going to be very hard here. For that you'll have to match the curves. Okay, for which you'll have to make sure that like every time you have a new surface, you'll have to match these curves with respect to the new surface. End to end olanga match avano. Then like you need to scale it in one direction. So you need to make sure that the scaling happens properly. Neata scale panni project pannanom. So every time you plug in a new surface and the new surface or the top view keta mari, you need to keep changing the drafted curves. That is one problem. Second problem is, say surface எப்படி இருக்கு solve ஆயிடுச்சு, but what if in the same surface if I kind of like turn on its points and கொஞ்சம் points வந்து what if it is kind of like folding. Say இப்படி ஒரு zigzag patternல இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, then now if we use the same component, if we use the same project and if we select the curves, top view ல இருந்து பார்க்கிறதுக்கு it wouldn't look like a problem. But say இப்போ if I select the surface to project onto, top view ல பார்க்க கரெக்டா தான் இருக்கும், but when you come here you see what happens. So when you have a doubly curved surface, so these kind of surfaces are called doubly curved surface. So in the mari surface இருக்கும்போது it's going to be a problem. Whereas in scripting, what the script does is instead of having a deform, like uniform, give it a second while it runs. Vaishnavi வேற யாராவது டாக்குமெண்ட் சப்மிட் பண்ணி மார்க் போடல அப்படின்னா எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க, பிகாஸ் ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு மிஸ் அவுட் எனிவன் இஃப் யூ ஆல்ரெடி சென்ட் த டாக்குமெண்ட். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி இதுக்கப்புறம் டாக்குமெண்ட் சப்மிட் பண்றேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாலும் இட் இஸ் ஃபைன், லைக் சென்ட் மீ த டாக்குமெண்ட். say in this case, if we avoid the extrusion also, see what happens here is I can take these curves, I'll quickly just bake them together. So what happens here is, even if the surface is doubly curved, I need to bake it. So I'll quickly go here with Rentio, I'll select it and I'll bake it at the same time. So if you see here on the same surface, so that's the surface. Let me take the surface out. This is the solution that you get in Grasshopper, whereas this is the solution that you get in Rhino. So there are certain, so over here the script kind of like evaluates the surface, and the whole process works with respect to the surface. Anga vandi we are just having a uniform grid and we are just projecting it on top. So projections will work, but projections doesn't really, care about the curvature of the surface. Surface ke tamari pannade, it will just project it randomly, no matter what the curvature of the surface is. So that is the point. There are situations where you'll be having doubly curved surfaces which has to be fabricated, and the Mari scenario you can't do it. And another thing is, project is just one process, whereas there are multiple processes that are there with respect to each of the files. So that is also there. But yep, before we go, I'll quickly just save the script. We'll open a new file number. Already பார்த்ததுதான் we are gonna see. So I'm just opening a new file right now. I'll just take the same surface here. We've already seen this last semester. I'll again, do it for you. So what we are gonna do is, we are gonna set the surface. This is again a fabrication strategy. We are gonna set one surface. I'm just gonna hide the surface. And now what I do is, I'm gonna divide the surface into multiple surfaces. Again, I'm gonna use isotrim. Divide domain square which I can give it a particular U and V count. Predefined values already இருக்கும். I am gonna set a number slider. பழைய பெரிய surface hide பண்ணிட்டு I am just gonna have the smaller surfaces. There you go. இப்போ next what we are gonna do is, let me group this before I go to the next step. இப்போ what I'll need just the edges. So the process is, now Rhino, if you want, I'll show it to you. See, what we are going to do is, we are going to take each of these individual surfaces and I'm going to take each of these individual surfaces. I'm going to give a offset surface. Offset surface is solid illama. I'm just going to make a offset. So offset pannona, once I've done an offset, I'll scale this surface. So there you go. Kuttiya scale panta. Idukku silhouette, I'm going to take its silhouette. I'm going to take its silhouette. So I have two silhouettes. Curves எல்லாத்தையும் தனித்தனியா இருக்கு. I'm just going to join them together. அப்புறம் I'm going to do a loft. 1, 2. So I'm going to get this pattern happening on the whole surface throughout here. So we've done this already. இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னா, இந்த surface எல்லாத்தையும் first scale பண்ணி offset பண்ணிக்கலாம். So I'm gonna offset it first. So this is the surface. Offset எவ்வளோ பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா say will give a 30 mm. 30 mm is a lot, so we'll try to keep it somewhere here. Okay, all right. So and the process, there is another step to this process which I didn't teach you last semester, but other will cover it out. But as of now, first thing, so idellatukum I'm gonna find a center point. I found the center point. Center கேத்த மாதிரி I'm gonna scale it. இப்போ geometry normally கொடுத்தா what's gonna happen is origin வந்து it's just gonna make it, it's just gonna take origin as the center point and it's just gonna scale the entire object into one particular geometry. Instead, what we are gonna do is we are gonna connect these center points into centroid. So either pannamodu what happens is all those surfaces get scaled with respect to that particular plane. Okay, so next what we are gonna do is, you know, like ipo vandu we are just gonna offset these. So idu chinna surface, let's group it again, let's keep it here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna offset. So that's the surface that we need to offset. Distance on this, say I'll give it between 10. I'm gonna connect this here and I'll keep it very minimal, somewhere around 2. So I've got the second set of surfaces. So now what I can do is I can kind of like center point vana hide panikalam. In the கீழ இருக்க surfaceல பண்ண scaleயும் will hide it. We don't need it. We just need one big surface which is in the bottom, one small surface which is in the bottom. As I told you, grasshopperல silhouette எடுக்க முடியாது. So we are going to use deconstruct brep. So deconstruct brep கொடுத்தா அதோட faces, corners, edges எல்லாம் வந்துரும். நம்மளுக்கு வேணுங்கிறது edges. But edges ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டா 4 edge வரும். So what we are going to do is we are just going to join them all together. So closed edges வந்து கீழ இருக்கிறதுக்கு வந்துருச்சு. Same. So if I hide the lower surface, deconstruct brepயும் hide பண்ணிட்டா, what you will see is just the edge curves. So I've got an edge curve here, I've got an edge curve here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take this, we are going to copy paste it, and we are going to do it for the upper surface. So upper surface pannona, if I kind of like hide the upper surface also, understand that, you know, like as you keep doing your scripts, you need to keep hiding the previous components. That is when you'll kind of see what's happening in the script. So I've quickly grouped these two. So I've got the upper curves and I've got the lower curves. I'm just going to loft between them. We've already done this. So there you go. We've already done this process, but you know, like you can use it as a fabrication process. So we have something called extrusive insertions. It's a concept where we use something similar for using it as a fabrication technique. Number will look into that fabrication technique after you people complete this. So I'll repeat again. All that we did was we created the surface, we set the surface, and the surfacer, we divided the surface into smaller surfaces. Small surface பண்ணோம்னா area centroid வச்சு அந்த சின்ன surfaces we've just scaled it down together. We've scaled it. So scale பண்ணோம்னா what we did was we kind of like offset the surface to a height. ரெண்டுக்கும் silhouette எடுக்கிறோம் பட் இங்க வந்து silhouette காம்பனன்ட் இல்ல so instead we'll use deconstruct vref அதோட face edge vertex இருக்கும் edges மட்டும் join பண்ணிக்கிறோம் this is the மேல upper surfaces these are the upper surfaces edges these are the lower surface edges we are just joining them together so இதுல வந்து if I play around with the scale factor so நம்ம இங்க factor வச்சு play பண்ணல there is a preset value which is 0.5 so if we make it 0.1 to 1 and if we kind of like connect this to our factor so now we can vary the opening size we can get the opening size happening okay so again you know like இதை ஏன் grasshopperல பண்றோம் ஏன் rhinoல பண்ணல அப்படின்னா see in the process we can do it in rhino also but you know like it's a very hard process imagine say if I have a surface flat surface ku pandrathe it's going to be a bit hard but you know like say what I'm going to do is I'm going to rebuild say I rebuild it into 6 and 6 now idukku வந்து if I do a extract wireframe so I've got all the curves so if enna panna porana in the surface I'm just going to split it in using these curves so I've got all my smaller surfaces so either வந்து alt shift alt I'm just making a copy scaled copy இப்போ I'll move it on top இப்போ say I do a silhouette I'll do a join also I'll do a silhouette I'll do a join so I've got a bottom curve I've got a top curve I can just select these two curves and I can loft this since this is a planar surface this is the same so I can multiple copy this throughout but what if it was a fluid surface ingumbodhu each and every one of its profile is going to vary adhe mari subdivisions are going to change inga vande if you need to change the subdivisions you can just come over here if you want this to be just one row I'm just going to make so over here you know like you can kind of like so the entire surface this happens but இது ஏன் இப்படி நடக்குது அப்படின்னா offset value is very less so if we increase the offset value it will keep working but so but then the idea that I'm trying to convey is inge evlo divisions venalum we can keep altering the amount of divisions that we are giving for the surface and you know like we can play around with the number of divisions we can play around with the scale value angana each and every time you need to work on it so over vaatiyum individual work avama the script is going to make sure that you can control the whole process using particular options so yep now so this is with respect to quad loft openings so இத வந்து ஒரு fabrication process there is a fabrication method that we found using this but அது வந்து will give it some time அதுக்கு ஒன்னு கொஞ்சம் you need to learn in a few more components so we'll kind of like leave that for now and we'll cover it out probably in a session or two later okay now before we close today's session I mean this session 2 I want to teach you people attractor curve also so attractors already pathirpinga but again I'm going to teach you what we are going to do is first we are going to create a rectangular grid so originally this grid is going to be there so if I go here you can see it I'll probably just take these and move this aside so inga pona we've got the rectangular grid inga irukkiradhu vandu this is the plane don't think about the plane we'll just worry about the grid So grid order size, say 10 units. இதையும் I'm going to keep it 10 units. Extents na வந்து எத்தனை count, how many count of boxes do you want? Say x வந்து 10 அப்படின்னா there are going to be 10 boxes. If I keep reducing x ல வந்து the amount of boxes is going to reduce. The same is for y. So we'll just keep it a little bit rectangular right now. We'll have this. Now, what we want is the points, not the cell. So I'm just going to take the points out and hide the cells. So I'm just going to hide everything. Now we've got a rectangular point. Great. If you kind of like think about what we did yesterday, so we can again do the same, but instead using a construct point. We need to give a x value, y value, and a z value. I'm going to give a series. Let's just hide this rectangular grid. So I'm gonna have a step value of say 10. I'm gonna have a count of say 20. I can play around with the count. So I've got 20 counts. So either kammi panna, I can, this is my factor. So either if I can copy paste it, and if I kind of like plug it into y, so now I can kind of like play along with these to, you know, like get my values sorted. But over here we need to do a cross reference. We did this yesterday. So this is our list A, this is our list B. Again, if I connect this to our x and y, we get a grid. So in the whole process they've kind of like so all this entire process, so what you see here, size x, size y, extent x, extent y, adu rendu da over here step count for this series, and you know like step and count the same. These four inputs are these four inputs. Inga na ore input renda connect pannirken. Say if you want, I'll kind of like just connect four inputs. So whatever happens here, this whole process is being concised into this particular component. So you can do it on both the ways. I'll just group this and I'll just disable this. And I'll turn on the points. I'm making a group out of this. I have a now I have a rectangular grid of points. In the points lerundu I'm going to create in the point lerundu I'm going to create circles that are going to rise. So I'm going to do a circle CNR. So in the point lerundu there are going to be circles. I'm going to hide all these points. So I am just going to make the circle's radius say a little bit bigger, say 5. There you go. So top view lerundu, let's see. So we've got all these circles happening in this rectangular grid of points. Now what we need to do is, you know, like we need to use an attractor point or a curve. Let's do a curve. So in the curve ketamari, wherever this curve goes, I need to change the circle's radius. So what I'm going to do is, so these are our starter circles. I'm going to give the option called scale. So these are the geometries to scale. Center point on the already grid order points. So I'm just going to connect it. So what happens is uniform scale out there. In the factor, if I give one value, like say 0.2, it's going to get scaled by 0.2%. If I make it 0.8, it's going to get scaled by 0.8%. But instead of giving one particular value, we are going to give multiple values. So அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ண போறேன் அப்படின்னா I'm going to use an attractor script. So I'm going to set the curve. இப்போ these are our points. These are our curves. So இது ரெண்டுக்கும் closest points கண்டுபிடிக்க போறேன். So the command is closest point. So I have a cloud. This is the cloud. I mean curve closest point. Verum closest point வந்து it will be for an attractor point. Using curve closest point will be for the curve attractor curve. So points வந்து நம்மளோட grid of points. I'll explain you with the drawing in the end. Just give me 2 minutes. So this is the curve. So என்ன நடக்குது அப்படின்னா imagine, say I'll just preview. What's happening is the curve, say in the curve, I'll bring it out. So what's happening is the computer is going to draw a line which is the most closest from this point to over here. This is the most closest. இதுக்கு வந்து the most closest might probably be this. Say இதுக்கு வந்து this is going to be the most closest. Again, say we'll just call that this is the most closest. அடுத்ததுக்கு வந்து say this is going to be the most closest. So it's just creating these lines and it's going to get you those particular points. Done. Ipo, say what we calculate the distance. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to do a distance or length command over here. Idoda length 22 mm. Idoda length 69 mm. So this curve, this length is all obviously shorter than this length. So and the lengths alanda you get it as a list over here in distance. So you've got a complete that's a tree. Sorry, tree ku vandu ungalku porumaiya I'll teach you tree later. So over here what's happening is and the over distance, say this is the first row. So 5 அப்படினா என்னன்னா over here. So 0 to 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So over here you've got 6. So the computer kind of like drew lines for all these 6 entities, and each of it has the distance which is proportionately getting higher. Say in the first one, if I give a length, the length here 22.5, inga vandu 22.6. Say we randomly drew it. So each of those curves distance are going to be here. In the distance vandu நம்ம scale factor ku கொடுக்க போறோம். Now if I connect this to scale factor, what happens is you get this huge thing. Why do you get this huge thing? First circle vandu it is kind of like scaling it 22 times. Second 32 times. Third 41 times. So athana times it's scaling down. But since the value is higher, we are going to do a division. So in the values எல்லாத்தையும் we need to reduce it below 1 to make sure that like we kind of like have a very precise attractor script running. So idla highest what you can do is you can find the highest value here. Over here 72 is the highest. So I'm going to keep something like, I'm going to give a value of 80. 80 is set panta. Now if you check the list, what's going to happen is all the values are going to be between 0.1 to 1. So instead, if we plug this into the scale, what you will see is a very proportionate scaling. So if I kind of like hide everything else apart from the output, so according to this curve, everything is getting scaled. So this is first list, that is second list, and this is our curve. So in the line line delete pante, if say I kind of like hide this also, if I move this curve, in the curve ke eta mari the patterns are going to change. Now you can go and play around with your parameters and say you can actually change, increase the diameter of the biggest circle and the smaller circle, or you can keep it again at 5 and you can use this to kind of like increase the ratio, but you need to make sure that they don't intersect unless that is your intention. So attractor curve again is a very, very, like important process that we'll be using in many places. Say I'm going to group this. Now we've got this. What if we can, use the same attractor script with our quad loft? Abdina, we can do it. So I'm just going to make a quick copy paste. I'm going to hide this. So inga வந்து எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா அந்த பேட்டர்னோட ஓப்பனிங் சைஸ்க்கு. இங்க again we have a scale factor where we can have one particular value. ஒரு வேல்யூக்கு பதிலா we can use it with respect to a curve. I'm just going to draw a curve. I'm setting a curve here. Again, curve closest point. Curve closest point. So points, inga நம்மளுக்கு points இது we have all the area centroids. அதுதான், that is our points. So if I preview it on, see you've got all your points like the previous scenario. These are our points. So point la connect பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Which is our curve? This is our curve. So I've connected the curve. இப்போ distance கிடைச்சிருச்சு. Now we'll put a panel. We'll see the distance. So again, everything is greater. There is a huge list. So idhula vandu we'll take the highest value, which is say 42. 42 is the highest value. Ipo we need to do a division. In the numbers, I'm going to divide it with 42 was the highest, so I'll keep 45 as the division value. So ipo if we make a panel and if we kind of like see all these results, everything is below 1. All those values is below 1. Now what I can do is I can kind of like in the scale factor, let me move the script a little bit. So in the scale factor, if I plug this resultant, what I'm going to get is attractor curves with respect to that particular, the scaled openings with respect to that particular attractor curve. So we'll kind of like avoid all the unwanted. We'll just hide everything right here. So எல்லாத்தையும் hide பண்ணியாச்சு. Now you can play around with the division value to kind of like make the scaling a bit more proportional. I'm just increasing the value. This looks a bit better. So now I can hide it and I can go here and play around with this curve. Idoda points, if I kind of like play around with these points, what I get is wherever the curve is very close to the surface, the openings are going to be, like smaller. Wherever the curve is kind of like going away from the surface, it's going to be bigger. So that's with respect to attractor curve, the same quad loft opening. So attractor curve concept we'll be using it in many places. We'll see eventually. I'll start like making you use it in many places. It's a very simple concept. Ipodiki it might feel a little bit hard for you, but like once you start using it multiple times, you'll understand the basics of attractor curve. So with this, we'll kind of like close session 2 for today. So it's 12:40. Next session will kind of like started at 1:30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly like upload this recording. I'll send it back to you and I'll send you the script file so you can kind of like work according to it. So give it a shot. If you have any doubts, like get back to me. I'll kind of like clear it out for you individually. Yes. So I'm ending the meeting right now. We'll see it we'll see each other at 1:30. Bye. Take care.